When you open up FileMaker Pro and create a new file, first thing you have to do is identify the name and where you want to save it. We agreed to use FP5 because we are working with FileMaker Pro 5.5. Next thing we have to do is identify fields that are going to be used. So here FileMaker Pro is asking us for the name of the fields and what type of field, and there are other buttons that will change as we progress. So if we start with a first name field, create is the default, which means you could just press return or click create. Now one field has been added and the default type is text. I can use this, and now notice as I edit that there are multiple options. Create is still the default, but I could save that. Let's not do that on this one. Let's just create this one. Now if I start typing, create is again the default, so I just press return. And I'll add a few more. Now in zip, we made a point about the type being text, not numbers, even though we're only going to put numbers. Well, let's use this one as an example. If I go back and type zip code, if I press return or click create, then I'm going to get an additional field created. But in this case, what I want to do is update the name, because zip code is more descriptive than zip. So when I click save, no new field is added. The field is just edited to indicate. Now if I click on options, there are 3 tabs in options, and we'll use some of these along the way. On the first one, there are a number of things. Creation date is a useful one some of the time when you want to know when a record has been added to a database. We'll leave that off. And some of these other ones will be useful for some of the challenges that you'll be doing along the way. Validation is a good one. We want to make sure that a certain field is filled in. We could make sure that it's not empty. The user will get a warning. But we'll leave those alone for right now.